contract, contract, refuse, refuse, produce, produce, suspect, suspect, convict, convict, upset, upset, research, research, bat, bat, die, die, ring, ring, fly, fly, nail, nail, sing, sing. Banana, banana peel, apple, apple skin, onion, onion skin, watermelon, watermelon rind, egg, eggshell, peanut, peanut shell, corn, corn husk. In English, it's too basic. Here are some fantastic alternatives: attractive, stunning, gorgeous, splendid, dazzling, magnificent. Primary school, elementary school, secondary school, high school, head teacher, principal, term, semester, revision, review, timetable, schedule, staff room, teacher's lounge. Hello, hi, yes, absolutely, no, nope, maybe, perhaps, how are you, what is up, I am fine, I am doing well, I am busy, I am tied up, I am listening, I am all ears, I don't know, beats me.